During the darkest months of the year, the west coast of Norway is in constant battle with the North Sea. When fall hits us, we move a bit slower, our senses grow stronger, and our needs change. It's a great time to visit the fjords of Norway, where the Vikings and the greatest explorers were born. The light is lower and the weather change is sudden and extreme. This place never ceases to surprise. If the weather gets too rough, we get inside and party like there's no tomorrow. And since it seems like the sun never rises at this time of year, the night is never ending.
I'm on the ferry, and it's dark outside almost all the time. It's just so cool.
We don't live here because it's convenient or comfortable. We explore these narrow fjords to challenge ourselves. This is the most exciting playground on Earth.